Welcome back to War Birds, the channel where we explore the most iconic war machines that dominate the skies, past and present. Today's episode takes us to one of the most talked about unmanned aerial systems of recent years, the Bayraktar TB2. Produced in Turkey, this medium-altitude, long-endurance drone has not only become a symbol of national pride but has also played a decisive role in several modern conflicts. It's more than just an aircraft. It's a turning point in how smaller nations project power with unmanned technology. The story of the TB2 begins in the early 2010s, when Bayraktar Defense, a Turkish aerospace company, set out to design a homegrown drone. At that time, many countries relied heavily on imports for such advanced systems. Turkey wanted independence in defense technology, and the Bayraktar TB2 was the answer. By 2014, the drone had its first major trials, and by 2015 it entered service with the Turkish Armed Forces. At first glance, the TB2 doesn't look imposing. With a wingspan of about 12 meters and a lightweight fuselage, it resembles a glider more than a combat aircraft. But appearances can be deceiving. The TB2 is built for endurance, capable of staying aloft for more than 24 hours. It cruises at medium altitudes, gathering intelligence with its advanced camera and sensor suite. Its real strength lies in its ability to perform surveillance and strike missions at a fraction of the cost of larger drones like the American MQ-9 Reaper. One of the features that made the TB2 so influential is its precision strike capability. Equipped with small, laser-guided munitions, the drone can target vehicles, artillery, and infrastructure with accuracy while minimizing collateral damage. This made it particularly effective in conflicts where mobility and cost-effectiveness were crucial. The Bayraktar TB2 gained global attention during several conflicts. In Syria and Libya, it was used to devastating effect against armored vehicles and air defense systems. In 2020, during the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, the TB2 became a game-changer. Footage of it destroying tanks and artillery spread across social media, cementing its reputation as a cost-effective weapon that could tilt the balance of power on the battlefield. More recently, during the war in Ukraine, the TB2 once again made headlines. Ukrainian forces used it to carry out strikes against invading forces, and its role was highlighted not just in military reports but also in popular culture, even inspiring songs, memes, and morale-boosting stories. The fact that a relatively affordable drone could impact a major war captured global attention. But the TB2 is not just about combat. Its surveillance role has been just as important. By providing real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, often referred to as ISR, it has given commanders a constant eye in the sky. This ability to watch and react in near real-time has changed how operations are planned and executed. Beyond the battlefield, the Bayraktar TB2 has been a powerful political tool. Turkey has exported the drone to multiple countries, including Ukraine, Azerbaijan, Qatar, and Poland. Each sale not only strengthened Turkey's defense ties but also demonstrated that advanced drone technology was no longer the exclusive domain of a handful of global powers. For many nations, the TB2 became the entry point into the world of armed unmanned systems. Of course, the TB2 has also faced criticism. Some argue that drones like it make warfare more asymmetric, allowing smaller nations to challenge stronger opponents in ways that blur the traditional rules of conflict. Others point out concerns about civilian safety, transparency, and accountability when drones are used in contested regions. Like other unmanned systems, the TB2 has fueled debates about the ethics of modern warfare. Technologically, the Bayraktar TB2 is still evolving. Bayraktar has already been working on advanced variants, integrating better sensors, more autonomous capabilities, and improved communication systems. While newer models may eventually overshadow it, the TB2's legacy is secure. It proved that affordable, homegrown drones could achieve outsized influence on the world stage. In many ways, the Bayraktar TB2 symbolizes the democratization of air power. Where once only the richest nations could field high-tech unmanned combat systems, now mid-sized and smaller powers can buy or produce their own. This shift has changed not only military strategy but also the global arms market. As we look ahead, drones like the Bayraktar TB2 will continue to shape the future of warfare. Whether in surveillance, precision strikes, or even swarm operations, unmanned aircraft are now central to military planning. And standing tall among them is this Turkish creation, a drone that turned heads, shifted wars, and proved that innovation can come from unexpected places. This has been War Birds, bringing you the stories of the machines that define the skies. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Bayraktar TB2, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us again as we continue to uncover the legends of air power, past, present, and future.